Looking to save money on your eSIM before your trip? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply a promo code on Saily, whether you're using your phone or your computer. Let's get started. First, access Saily through the special link provided in the description, the pinned comment, or by scanning the QR code on your screen. This step is important to make sure the promo code works correctly. Then, create your account or log in if you already have one. Once you're inside, select the country where you'll need mobile data. After that, choose the data plan that fits your trip. If you're traveling for a few days, a smaller plan might be enough. Staying longer, you can go for a larger data package. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. This is where you'll apply the promo code. On the payment page, look for the option that says something like, "Have a promo code." Click on it, enter the code you'll find in the description, and confirm. The discount will be applied instantly, so you'll immediately see the updated total. After completing your payment, Saily will guide you step by step through the eSIM installation process. Just follow the instructions, and once you arrive at your destination, activate your eSIM to get connected right away. That's it. Quick and simple. Don't forget, the Saily link to activate the promo code is available in the description, in the pinned comment, or via the QR code on screen. And if this video helped you, the one appearing on your screen now will show you even more ways to save on your travels.